this video, let's see how to change theme on Godaddy website builder. Begin by visiting the official Godaddy website and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate the navigation bar and click on the drop-down menu next to your profile name. Select My Products from the drop-down menu. Click on your website name. In the website section, click Edit Website. Select the Theme tab in the website builder. Click on the highlighted icon to explore custom domain options in the pop-up. In the navigation bar, click on Theme to customize your website's appearance. In the Theme section, click Try a New Look to explore different themes. There are several themes available here. Pick the one you prefer and click on Select. Click the Publish button in the navigation bar. Now your site is updated with new theme. This is how to change theme on Godaddy website builder.